Hey folks, we just got done riding KTM's 2021 450 SMR. That's right, after a 7-year hiatus from KTM's North America model lineup, they've decided to re-import its competition-spec Supermoto bike. KTM credits a lot of success from its sister brand Husqvarna and its FS 450 and why it has decided to bring this bike back into America and get a piece of the action. Now, in typical KTM form, every model year they update their chassis, their frames, their engines, and all of these changes go across the entire dirt bike lineup. So the chassis on this motorcycle, the engine on this motorcycle is all based on KTM's 450 SXF motocross bikes. These 450cc KTM engines are just a gem. They make a ton of power, they sound cool, they're light, they're compact. The 5-speed gearbox has proper gear ratios. That slipper clutch that it has inside this bike just really makes it easy to ride at the circuit. You need a slipper clutch on these bikes because the back tire has so much grip against the pavement, and you need to be able to have that rear tire slide smoothly when you are going Mach speed here at the go-kart track. Chassis on this motorcycle, KTM continues to campaign an air fork. It's got the WPX-ACT air fork. The setup on this bike works really well. It's not a lot different than the FS 450 we rode a couple years ago, but it is still refined. Suspension action is very supple, very smooth, unlike a motocross bike that has really fast suspension calibration, softer suspension calibration compared to this bike. This thing's a lot more calm. And it's nice being able to ride a purpose-built bike at the go-kart track that has all the goodies, from the properly valved suspension to the big, humongous Brembo street bike front brake. All these features make this dirt bike surprisingly capable on pavement. And if you haven't tried Supermoto riding, this is one of the best bangs for your buck. Track days at the go-kart track are a lot less expensive than a street bike. These bikes eat tires less voraciously, and the motorcycle, the MSRP is a little bit lower than a street bike. $11,300 for this motorcycle, $100 less expensive than Husqvarna's FS 450 for the 2021 model year. But if you're looking for just a fun competition spec motorcycle that you can get your jollies off at the street bike track or the go-kart track, this bike will be for you. You cannot go wrong with it. All right, folks, that's a wrap of the 2021 KTM 450 SMR review. Make sure to surf on over to motorcyclistonline.com where you can read the review. Make sure to like this video if you liked it, thumbs it down if you think I'm an idiot, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.